Hi everyone, this is Y Square. Today we are going to create this Google Play Store icon with Inkscape 1.01. Before everything, make sure that we have the same configuration. Let's go to File, Document Properties. In General part, the display unit is in Pixel, PX. And then at the border here, make sure that this checkbox is unticked, because we don't need the border. Then close this window. So for information, this is the reference image. These are the hex color codes in case you are interested. And this one is the shortcut keys that I'm going to use throughout the videos. Let's get started. First, we want to create a triangle shape first. Go to here, create star and polygons, choose this, 3 corners, no rounded, no randomize. Click and drag while pressing Ctrl at the same time. Pressing Ctrl allows you to rotate at a consistent 15 degrees like this. So we want something like that. We have created a triangle, but the corner is a sharp corners instead of the rounded one. To have the rounded corners, we use stroke. So let's go to the fill and stroke pane, flat colors. Go to the stroke style. Make sure you have selected round join and round cap. Otherwise, we'll see like a sharp corners. And the degree of roundedness is determined by the width here. So let's say if I decrease to 15 pixels, the roundedness decreases. Let me change back to 45. Something like this. Next, what I'm going to do is to convert the stroke to path. But nothing happens from the visuals. But if you go to object and ungroup it, you will see there are 2 objects here. So let us combine them through path and union. There you go. We successfully created a rounded triangle shape here. Next, press D to pick color from this yellow. Press S, returning to the select mode. After these triangles, we want to create this red color shape. We create by Ctrl D to duplicate this shape and press D to pick this color. Press S to the select mode again. Maybe let me reduce the opacity so that you can see it much clearer. So something like this. And we notice that the red color shape here is having a sharp corner. So we need to edit this triangle here by pressing N, edit path by node here. So since we only want these 2 nodes, and these 3 nodes are actually redundant, we can remove them. Highlight them, delete, highlight this, delete. Something like this. And then highlight both of these nodes, make them corner. Yep, there you go. In case you want to adjust this node along the path, make sure you have enabled this snap node, snap the path, and snap the caps node. So when you move along this line, you'll be snapped to the path. Press S, returning to the select mode. Now we have this red shape. Next thing to do is this green color shape. Let me Ctrl D to duplicate and press D to pick color from this green color. Press S again to returning to this mode. Then flip it vertically. And then shift click this yellow shape. And then go to align, align to the left, align to the top. There you go. We have the green colors here. The last one is this blue shape. And we notice that this blue shape is actually an intersection between these green and red color. So let us just highlight both of them, Ctrl D to duplicate, and then path intersection. Press D to pick this color. Press S to return to the select mode. There you go. And then we highlight everything, adjust the opacity again to 100%, and Ctrl G to group everything. There you go. This is our Google Play Store icon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. See you next time.